Hello, David here, and the project for today is replacing the windshield wipers on a 2015 Honda Fit. If you remember, not long ago I replaced the rear wiper on this Fit, and I was able to just slip in a refill blade made out of rubber. In this case, I'm not sure if refill blades fit in these wipers, so I bought whole new wipers. I got them from Amazon, company named 5 Plus Automotive. The long one is 28 inches long and the short one is 14 inches long. And these are made out of silicone. Silicone's supposed to last longer than natural rubber. And no, they're not yellow. They have these yellow protectors on them, I guess to keep them from getting damaged in shipment. And what they did was they took this huge long arm and then they folded it in half to fit in this envelope. So I hope this blade isn't too badly distorted. You know, it's made out of plastic. Of course, these wiper arms pull up from the windshield and they swing out like that. But once you get that wiper arm off, this piece of metal right here can slam into the glass and crack it. So I have a painter's cloth I'm going to use to protect the windshield. Right under there, there's a little lever. If you hold that lever in, you can push this wiper right off of the hook. Just like that. New blade is about 1/4 of an inch longer than the old blade. There are no instructions that came with this, but you have to open up this cover by pinching over here, pinch here, and lift outward. That'll slide open like that, and the hook comes through around. Well, let's show how it works. Then pull out into the hook. Snap that closed. Pull this plastic cover off. Let's clean the glass. They seem to be working well. Doesn't seem like the long blade was warped by being folded. So I'm happy about that. Yeah, that Honda doesn't get driven much, but when those wiper blades wear out, I will make another video to let you know how long it lasted. I'll go by mileage because the owner of the car is retired. These are the factory blades made by a company called Mitsuba, M-I-T-S-U-B-A. I don't know if you could read it right there. Let's see if these refills come out. Well, I'll be darned. They do slide out, so yes, you can put refills in here. Let me see if these end caps come off. Not with my arm strength. I wonder if there's a tab in there. No, not that I can tell. See, there's an arrow on there. I don't know what that means. But yes, I think that's good to know for the future. Maybe I'll save these arms, keep them as spares. I think that'd be a good idea, don't you? Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.